Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by getting physicals right. Connect the monitor with HDMI, DisplayPort, DVI, or USB-C and power it on. Once done, set the monitor input using its on-screen menu, and then open your operating system's display settings. On Windows, navigate to Settings Right Arrow System Right Arrow Display. On macOS, go to System Settings Right Arrow Displays. Make sure both displays appear. If one is missing, try a different cable or port, because the OS can't set a main display it can't detect. You now choose which screen becomes primary. First, click Identify so numbers match physical monitors. That makes dragging accurate. Next, drag the display tiles to match how they sit on your desk, because mouse movement follows that layout. Then pick the monitor you want as your main display and enable the OS option labeled Make this my main display or use as primary. Also adjust resolution and scaling so text and UI look correct. Higher DPI screens need different scale settings. Apply changes and watch the desktop move. You finish by confirming the taskbar or dock shows on your chosen main display and then move several windows to verify behavior. Once satisfied, test common workflows like full-screen apps and video playback to ensure correct output. If things aren't permanent, make sure to apply settings and sign out or reboot. And if problems persist, update your graphics drivers and try another cable or port. That single troubleshooting step, swap the cable, solves detection issues more often than you'd expect.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.